Hello friends, today we have HCF and LCM of numbers problem number 5th. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like CLAT, MAT, GMAT, CAT exam, Bank PO, MBA, MCA, UPSC exam, SSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 84 respectively. If the ratios of the two numbers is 1:4, then find the numbers. So here we have given LCM and HCF of two numbers and the ratio of two numbers is 1:4. So first of all, let numbers are x and 4x. We know that there is a formula that product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF, and LCM. So here we can write product of two numbers. Numbers are x and 4x. So x into 4x. This is equal to HCF is 21. So 21 into LCM 84. So this implies x square equal to 21 into 84 upon 4, cancel 21. This implies x square equal to 21 square, implies x equal to 21. So first number is 21 and another number is 4x. So first number x equal to 21 and second number 4x, this is equal to 4 into 21 equal to 84. So two numbers are 21 and 84. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.